What if you could create your own cryptocurrency in under 10 minutes without writing a single line of code? That's exactly what Bitnun makes possible. Whether you're a startup launching a utility token or a creator building your own community coin, Bitnun puts the power of token creation in your hands. In this video, I'll walk you through the entire process, from setup to deployment and even promotion. Let's dive in. First, head over to bitnun.org and create a free account. Once you're signed in, navigate to the dashboard. On the left panel, you'll see a section called Token Generator. Click that. This is where the magic starts. The interface is clean, beginner-friendly, and guides you step by step through the token creation process. Now it's time to define your token. Start by giving it a name. This is what your community will recognize. Next, choose your symbol, like BTC or ETH. Set your total supply, then decide if your token should be fixed or mintable in the future. You can also customize decimals, transaction fees, and even choose advanced tokenomics like burn mechanisms or holder rewards. Everything is editable through simple drop-downs and input fields. No code, no confusion. Once your token parameters are locked in, you can deploy to your preferred blockchain. Bitnun supports Ethereum, Binance Smart Chain, Solana, Polygon, and more. Just select your network, connect your wallet, and hit deploy. Within seconds, your smart contract is live and verified. The cross-chain options make it easy to reach your audience, no matter where they're trading. After deployment, Bitnun provides instant access to your token's contract address and live Explorer links. This means you, or your community, can immediately verify it on platforms like Etherscan or SolScan. You'll also get QR codes, sharing links, and automatic token listing tools. Launching a token has never been this frictionless. But Bitnun doesn't stop at creation. You also get built-in marketing tools, generate branded landing pages, airdrop tokens, and integrate with social media to build traction fast. It even includes analytics, so you can track wallet growth and holder distribution in real time. For creators and communities, this is a huge step forward. The best part? All of this costs just $4.99 per month. Compare that to traditional dev teams that charge thousands for a single smart contract. Bitnun puts blockchain tools in your hands, fast, simple, and affordable. Ready to launch your token? Try it today at bitnun.org.